Hello everyone, I'm Wint Aung from Myanmar. Thank you for being here today. Today my topic is about Layer 2 VPN with MikroTik. It was about me. I'm graduate BSc Physics in University of Yangon. I have 6 certificates of MikroTik. I'm now network engineer at AGB Communication Myanmar. Okay, VPN. What is VPN? Everybody knows VPN is stand for Virtual Private Network. It's a secure connection. It's a private network to our remote location, for the remote user or for the branch office, to our head office. For example, I'm now in Vienna. I need some results from Myanmar. From my office, I get it from by using VPN. I'm now the remote user. Yeah. This is a more accept VPN. VPN is popular for the many employees were working remotely. We can work everywhere by the VPN. This is a user connection from our office to our home. We are at our home or we are on a remote on the fly. We can get access from our head office. We can use it. This is type of VPN. This is remote access VPN. This is another type of VPN, side-to-side VPN. This is side-to-side VPN. We have head office and many branch office, or we have our partner office. This is a fixed location from me. From the head office to branch office, we need to side VPN. And our partner office, we made this type of VPN. Okay. We divide it into VPN, remote access VPN, and side-to-side VPN for the requirement. Why do we need VPN? The main reason is cost saving. We have side-to-side VPN, we have our office and the branch office. We have lease line from our local ISP, or we lay the fiber cable, or we connect with wireless network, anyone. This is a cost. This is expensive case. The main reason is cost saving. For the remote user, we have on the remote over the fly. We can use our resource. It is security. We can access our resources securely. This is why we need VPN. This is a VPN list of micro-distributed protocols. Tenant protocols is individual protocols, UIP, IPIP, GRE, IPCell, PPP-based protocol, PPP, PPPoE, PPTP, L2TP, and so on. MPLS-based VPLS and TE. Today, my topic is about Layer 2 VPN. That's why focus on Layer 2. Why do we need Layer 2? I think this is more easier way than Layer 3 to manage our client. And some of the service such as DHCP or and the VoIP, this service need Layer 2. Okay, layer 2 tenant option. There's two options on layer 2 to make layer 2 network PPP plus BCP or EUIB bridging or MikroTik. PPP plus BCP means PPP point-to-point protocol supported BCP, such as PPTP, SSTP, or OVPN, and L2TP. Such protocol means PPP-based protocol plus BCP. Okay, first option, we made PPP plus BCP. We require this requirement. This is a tenant protocol to make supported BCP and BCP setting and the multi-lane PPP. We require this to make PPP plus BCP. A tenant protocol. We will choose a tenant protocol PPTP, SSTP, or L2TP IMSS. PPTP is a TCP port 1723. It's used TCP port 1723 and MPPE 128-bit encryption. This was a security issue. PPTP is not secure. And then PPTP port 1723 can be blocked by some ISP. If they can block this port, we can make PPTP across this network. Another is SSTP. This use TCP 443 and use SSL TLS. This is more secure way. This is security. It uses TCP 443. That's why ISP cannot be blocked this port because it is HTTPS. 443 is an HTTPS port. And then L2TP IP cell, it is UTP 1701 and another ICARRY. Use IP cell, it is secure way and the most suitable because it is faster than SSTP in general. This is L2TP IP cell. Security. Client is most modern OS and faster than SSTP. That's why I will use L2TP IP set plus BCP for layer 2, first option. And then the second requirement is BCP. It is a bridge control protocol. This capture is from Wireshark Bridging Control Protocol BCP. Or BCP can make BCP long bridge Ethernet packets through PPP link. There's no box on PPP to click to open on MikroTik. To open BCP, no tab for BCP. To open BCP, we made a bridge and then Airtel Ethernet port you want to combine with, and then this bridge to PPP profile / this bridge. This is BCP setting. And one point to this is MAC address. MAC address PPP interface doesn't have MAC address. It is layer 2. We make layer 2. That's why we need a MAC address. That's why we need bridge to have MAC address. We made admin MAC address or the interface, Ethernet-like interface in it, and the bridge take it. You know, if the bridge, we create a bridge and then put it into Put it in Ethernet interface, either one or either two. The bridge take the MAC address of the first combined port. The third requirement is MLPVP. This is definition from MikroTik wiki. Point-to-point protocol is a method of splitting, recombining, and sequencing data across multiple logical data links or over a single PPP link. Why we need MLPVP? We have standard Ethernet interface MTU. We have Ethernet packet to cross the PPP base channel. Ethernet packet MTU is more bigger than PPP base. We know Ethernet packet is 1500 byte, and most of the PPP base channel interface are 1400 to 1480. The Ethernet packet can pass through the PPP interface. That's why we need MLPVP. Tenants NDU plus tenant overhead can pass the whole frame. That's why we need MLPVP. MLPVP solve this problem. It split into logical data link on PPP link. We have one PPP link. It logically divides into logical data link. If we have PPP link, this can back the Ethernet frame. That's why MLPVP make this logical data link, and we combine it. So how to enable MLPVP? Just like BCP, there is no box or MLPVP. MLPVP to click open, there is no box. We must specify must receive MRRU. We change the MRRU site to open to work with MLPVP. This setting is here. We make the MRRU interface at 1600. This means that we have mass MRU is 1450. Ethernet MTU is 1500. This is more than that. That's why we make two logical link, and then the other end of PPP link, we combine it. And the MRU side is more than that much. This is combined. This is separate the link to 2 link or 3 link by the cipher MRU. For the cipher MRU in this case 1600, it will make 2 virtual link to make logical link. This is PPP BCP setting. This is roughly. We can create a bridge interface and add LAN interface to the bridge and create IMB pool. Create IMB pool is another option. We have many channels. We have IMB pool for easier way. This is an IMB from the pool for channel 1, channel 2 automatically assigned. Now we have a little channel for 2 or 3 channel. We make easily it from secret PVP secret interface, make it IB assigner. No need IB pool. This is for client side. Okay, another option to layer 2. This is EUIMP. What is EUIMP? We have to run EUIMP. What is the first thing to do is, the first thing we need to do is, we bought 2 router board. Because it is MikroTik router OS protocol, it ran on MikroTik only. That's why we will run EUIMP. We have MikroTik router board or MikroTik OS. Ethernet over IP tunneling. This is any IP connection. This can run on any IP connection. We have 2 public IP or 2 static IP or another tenant IP. We can run it on it. PPTP over UIP over PPTP, UIP over SSTP, tenant over tenant. We made it to layer 2 or directly make layer 2 with UIP. This is EUIP packet. It uses IP protocol 47 GRE packets. This is the torch from MikroTik. We can torch it. And protocol 47. First part is Ethernet protocol IP. For the code 800 means it is for IPv4. And for 800 is for ARP and any other code. This is just for code for Ethernet protocol. Okay, UIP can make it. We have 2 office, XUM branch office. They make a layer 2 connection between them. Just like an Ethernet cable between them. We make one DHCP server. We share the resources from layer 2. All are the same. This is UIP configuration. UIP configuration is there is no server or client. It has local IP address and remote IP address to click it. That's why for the client and server, just the same thing. For the head office and for the branch office, the config is same. And PVP, BCP, and the EUIP, the difference is PVP, BCP is hub and spoke type. This is server and client. That's why we need PVP, BCP for the server side for one configuration and another side branch office 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Another more office to be need to config on client side. For EUIP configuration, we make parallel connection for branch 1, headquarter 1 parallel connection for headquarter and for branch office 1. And branch office 2, we make another config for branch office 2 for the headquarter and the branch office 2. This is UIMB. USIMB can support IMB-SAP encryption for security. But authentication, no authentication mechanism. In PVP, BCP, we have client server type. That's why we make username and password and encryption method to authentication. That is no on UIMP. UIMP is just fill it from local address and remote address, not username and password. Both entirely connected internet. Internet, we have two public IMP. We connect with internet or other Telnet protocol. We can run over it. Additional packet overhead, because it is a GRE packet to overhead. Additional configuration set. For the side, for each side, one pair, and we made an additional configuration. Not like PVP, PCP. Easy to configure. Its configuration is easy, but we have many tenants. It is harder to maintain. Okay. Thank you. For any answer?
Layer 2. I want to ask you about internet over IP. Yeah.
Yes.
When you transmission and frame with a frame size 1500. It is the frame size is bigger than the MTU of the
For UIMP?
yeah. What will happen? And if that frame had no defay flash, what will happen?
You mean for UIMP?
Yeah. I want to ask you about when we using Ethernet over IP.
Yes.
Yeah. And I want to transfer a frame. Yeah.
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 UIMP have default supervisory file on setting. You can see it. This is MTU side is default. And then you can change the MTU side for your requirement.
No, I don't. I want to ask you. Assemble. Yeah, assemble. I have internet. Yeah, I have the internet blind. Connect MikroTik 1 and MikroTik 2.
Yes.
Yeah, and the frame size and the MTU size of that internet blind is only about 1480. Yeah, 1480. Yeah, but when I want to transfer a frame from MikroTik 1 to MikroTik 2, but the frame is 1500, and that frame had no defacement flash on it. What will happen?
This is your requirement. MTU side is what type of packet, what side of packet you want to transfer to router 1 to router 2. This is we need. This is you need or you need.
Is it okay?
It is okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Any question, please? Okay, thank you.